2, 1, crescendo.
Dramatic pause for effect will not deter the start of our robots here as the autonomous period gets underway and the notes start getting cleared out quite rapidly from the center line and from the pre-stage there in each alliance zone. 39 points on the board for blue, and they lead by 10 now with drivers taking control. And looks like we're going to start with a 3-on-2 break. Red Alliance down a robot, but we hope to see Demon Robotics get rebooted and ready to go here in the teleoperated period. 2 minutes to play. Cooperation already played by the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance answers that message, and they will play their cooperation boost as well. And onwards we'll go now. The 589 machine, Falcon Robotics, makes their way over to the Red Alliance loading zone. Note loaded in that robot. They'll go under the blue stage. Not the most common pathway, but it is completely valid, particularly with no robots in the immediate vicinity. Now the Red Alliance with 2 stack lights lit up. There we go. They will amplify their speaker. Fire a note off into that speaker for 5 points of Alliance score. Now make that 10. Can we get to 15 on this cycle? Yes, we can. Making great use of that amplification to try and chew away some of this lead that the Blue Alliance has developed, although it has expanded since the end of the autonomous period. Got about a minute left to play. There's a 6th-year team, tech support out of California, lined up in front of the Blue Alliance speaker. There we go. They'll pick up 2 points for that note as well. They were sitting near another one, but they go ahead and leave that, and they'll go all the way back to the loading zone to get a fresh, clean, pristine note from their human players. And that one's going to bounce right back at them. The speaker feeds back. They'll have to try again. We got 2 notes wedged into the amp over on the Blue Alliance side of the field. Looks like they might have been scoring just a touch too quick there in that one. Blue Alliance lead is now 11 points as we go into our final 30 seconds of gameplay here on the Johnson Division for match 84. Robots scattered all over the field, devising what their strategy will be as we progress into our endgame period. Strategy for Crevolution out of Michigan is definitely to go airborne. A little bit of a top-heavy machine, but they use that to their advantage here in the endgame as they pivot and flip over on the chain to get access to where they would score the trap note. But alas, the trap does not play nicely with them, and the note kind of gets stuck between the robot and the top of the stage. Number 84, the Blue Alliance wins it 113-91. They'll scoop up 3 ranking points in that process to the Red Alliance's 1. And the leaderboard completely jumbles. But moving on up into that 13th ranked position, great spot to be. That's Techno Titans moving up from